one of the kind of the amazing things about the practice is it's very different because you're taking your health in your own hands. Even when I've gone to homeopaths, I've gone to acupuncturists, and you go to different health practitioners. In every case, you're really relying on them. And some of them are really, really good and can help you a lot, and others aren't. But the point, this is something where you're taking it in yourself. And I remember the first time when I was practicing Buteyko and I got sick. And I just felt terrible. And I thought, well, what am I going to do? And I went and did a set, and I couldn't believe it. The symptoms started to go away. By the end of the day, I had fought off, a head cold, which normally for the last 10 years, I would have taken my vitamin C and done a whole bunch of things. And at the end of the day, it would have come anyway. Once I had that feeling of sort of being under attack, I was never able to fight it off. Yet this did, and so that was another sort of piece of important evidence. It kind of shocked me, actually. And I was cleaning up my desk at work the other day, just because I'm retired now. And I had all these different sort of things that I used to do whenever I get a cold, and yeah, I just threw them in the garbage. I really don't think I need them anymore. We'll see. But I'll forget that happening. I know I just do the pauses and stuff like that, and they're gone. So it's kind of neat.
It is neat.
Mm-hmm.
And it is worth learning just to know how to do the practice, so that if something happens, like you're getting the sense that you're catching a cold, or you've had some sort of a physical accident and there's pain in the body, or you've got something stressful to do, you can just do some pauses, just ad hoc when you're in these situations, and it helps. So
yeah,
it's a very good tool to have learned, so that you can use it as and when you need it, or you can do the longer job, which is to practice every day for a period of time to get your control pause up and to affect the level of your health significantly.
you're taking your health in your own hands.